morning, Pearl here. Today we're opening up day 10. Let's see what's in day 10.
Fabulous, Pearl. What is in day 10? What do you think it feels like?
It's hard.
It's hard.
And big.
How many of the ladies do you think have been feeling this?
It's a book.
A book? Oh, and something else. Let's open it up. I'll hold it, you pull it.
Okay.
Lots of things in day 10. Uh-oh, okay.
Okay.
Let's pull. Oh, so there is a book and there is some cards. So this is card to make yourself some C6 envelopes. I mean, so not envelopes, card bases. So some card to make some card bases and
I put one of them in.
a book. And this book has got some of the things the girls have made some projects with. So a little book with some layout ideas and some card ideas in the back, but I can't show you too much because you haven't opened all of these ones yet. But that is to get you guys starting and crafting. Okay. I know you're not peaking a day early. Thank you so much, guys, for day 10. We'll see you tomorrow. See what's in day 11.